I'ma shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you.
What's up, guys? It's Joshua TJ. I'm out here on the Zuma. So with this Zuma, I started it the other day, but the thing is the carburetor's really bad, so I'm gonna have to take the carburetor out after this video. So I'm gonna try and get this thing started. It's pretty gunked up carburetor. It needs a deep clean. So first things first, I'm gonna hook this thing up to the battery and we'll see if this thing kicks over. Alright guys, we got it hooked up to the battery pack, turned it on. So let's see if this thing turns over. Oh. Stupid. Kill switch is on. Well, this thing's beeping. So first thing, so I don't think it's gonna turn over with the starter. All right, so it just shut off again. So this is gonna, let me try and start her up. So this is how you can tell the carburetor is dirty, because it starts up and it idles for a little bit, right? And I give it a little bit of gas and it turns off. See how I give it, look at my throttle here, and it just dies. So I think that tells me that it needs to be primed up a little bit more and it needs to warm up a little bit. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, y'all, we got it running. Let me see real quick. Get it set up. Got this thing running. Make sure to hold the back brake when you guys are revving it. Oh, don't want it to shut off again. So just let it warm up a little bit and you should be good to ride after like 2-3 minutes of like warm up. And let it idle. Hopefully it doesn't die. The idle's a little low. But it should be good. So I'm gonna get this thing out of here so it can ride. Let's get the Zuma out of here. Alright, so we got the Zuma out and let's go for a little ride to test her out. Make sure she's running right. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, we took the Zuma out and we're gonna take it for a little test ride and make sure this thing is feeling a-okay. So let's get on with it. Yes, sir. So this thing is feeling like a little bit zippier, a little bit more torquey. Really good thing. I love that about these bikes. These little mopeds. Yeah. It's not too fast up on uphills. I mean, that's to be expected with a stock Zuma. This is a 2-stroke, so it's a little bit more torquey. But yeah. Take a right here. Car's coming. Going max throttle. Speedometer doesn't work. But we're hitting around 30, so that's good. That's around what's expected for these 50cc 2-strokes. You're gonna get around 35 miles per hour, downhill or flat, because either way they rev up to that much. So yeah, it's running pretty sweet. It's just like on the startup, it's really bad. It won't start up like right away, because once the carburetor is nice and hot and stuff like that, but once it gets cold, the main jets, I think they build up. What the heck? But yeah, the main jets, I think they build up with gunk and all that stuff, so not too good. Oh, look at quad right there. What is that, a Banshee? Oh, bro's going crazy on that thing. Thing's running pretty sweet. Oh yeah, that thing is sweet. Wow. Yes, sir. That thing's running nice. Yeah. Yo, those things sound mean, no cap. Those sound mad nice. But yeah, we cruising. This is max auto right now, so as you can see, these bikes stock, they're not built to go too fast. They're just meant to be reliable and just to be smooth, you know what I mean? That's what these bikes are made for. Nothing more, nothing less, you know what I mean? Yeah, beautiful bike. Running sweet. So once you modify these, you can get a decent amount of torque and miles per hour off these. I mean, you're not gonna hit crazy speeds, but you're gonna be hitting like maybe like 60 or something like that. You could hit 60, so yeah. Just cruising. Oh, Grandma don't know where she's going. What was that, yo? I'm telling you, you need to be on your lookout when you're on these things, or on any bike. When you're on any bike, y'all always gotta be on the lookout when you're on any bike, for real, bro. Because these people, y'all gotta stay safe, man. Because some people, they just do not know how to drive. So yeah, but you see that build up? Look at that. It's not like instant torque. So most of them just have instant throttle. So I don't know, something's a little off with that. I'm pretty sure it's the carburetor, but can't wait to get into mods on this thing. Try and get a new exhaust on her, get some new parts, new carburetor, maybe like a 70 kit, and this thing would be pretty sweet. But yeah, it seems like that priming trick, that trick where you prime the bike, that's the best way to start these. But you can only reach the valve, like the priming filter, because it's on the inner part of the engine where the spark plug would be, so you'd have to take the battery cap off. So that's really like the main ways to kick it. Like just put your little, just plug the filter cap and just do it. But yeah, the way to go is just to plug the filter cap a little bit, kick it a couple times, that'll prime some fuel into the engine, to the carburetor, and then you'll be pretty much set for that. But this bike is a great commuter bike. Like if you want to get into Zuma, like it's a good size bike for most people. Like I'm around 6 foot, give or take, so this fits me pretty nice. I don't look too big on it, I don't look too small on it. Overall, it's perfect size. You can fit a passenger on the back if you want to. It's a 2-seater. But yeah, these bikes are perfect for this type of weather, just cruising around. Take off too quick, you know what I mean? So could be the carburetor buildup. Forgot. Wow. There we go. Well, all right, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video right here. I want to thank you guys for watching. So stay tuned for more videos, more to come. Thank you guys for watching.